Solana, SOL, is on the cusp of a significant breakout, but its near-term price movements are under scrutiny as market dynamics unfold. Recently, SOL briefly surged towards $210, the highest since late July, yet faced rejection at resistance around $208. Technical analysts warn that the current rally could be short-lived, projecting a potential decline to $180 or even as low as $160 if support levels fail. The key support zone lies at $180, representing the midline of a trading channel formed over recent weeks. A breakdown below this level could see SOL drop approximately 17% from current prices, possibly retesting lower lows. Conversely, a strong hold above $180 could invalidate bearish sentiment, opening the path toward $250. Targets that traders consider achievable if bullish momentum persists, currently trading at around $192. Solana has shown a modest weekly gain of about 2.83%. Despite declining trading volume, a drop of over 50% in 24 hours, investor sentiment remains cautiously optimistic, supported by a fear and greed index reading of 56. The ongoing SEC review of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, extended until October, has less impact on SOL's outlook, with most expectations leaning toward consolidation rather than sharp downside moves. Analysts forecast that SOL could reach approximately $197 in the coming month and $219 within 3 months, contingent upon broader positive market conditions. This technical setup suggests SOL's trajectory depends heavily on support at $180 and its ability to break key resistance at $208. Meanwhile, in the broader crypto landscape, Bitcoin continues its cautious ascent towards the $150,000 mark. Industry experts like Stephen McClurg of Canary Capital indicate a more than 50% chance that Bitcoin could hit $140,000 to $150,000 in 2025, a move supported by institutional inflows, especially from sovereign wealth funds and large asset managers. However, McClurg warns that this rally might be met with a correction, with a potential downturn following as macroeconomic signals and Federal Reserve policies come into play. Bullish voices, including investors like Michael Saylor and ARK Invest's Cathie Wood, project Bitcoin hitting even higher levels, up to $1 million in the long term if institutional adoption accelerates. Conversely, some analysts forecast a temporary retracement or sideways consolidation, emphasizing that the market's next move hinges on macro factors and regulatory developments. Bitcoin's resilient positioning is complemented by Ethereum, which shows signs of ongoing accumulation by whales and institutions, with targets aiming toward $15,000. The ecosystem's expansion, combined with positive macroeconomic indicators, such as rising spot ETF inflows, favors a bullish long-term outlook for ETH. Conversely, altcoins like XRP and Dogecoin are generating buzz, with XRP showing signs of a potential surge to new highs in 2025, while Dogecoin gears up for a possible breakout following recent ETF filings. In conclusion,